How to freeze location on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, scroll down the bar on the top. In here, you'll find your location turned on. In your options, you'll find airplane mode. Simply turn on airplane mode while your location is on. After your location is on, simply turn on airplane mode. After you've done that, there will be no network on your device and your location will be freezed. You don't need to turn location as turning location shows locations turned off. Simply turn on airplane mode and you're good to go. This is how to freeze location on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.